Olympic National Park. We're on Ruby Beach. We're giving you an outdoor body mobility warm-up. It's early morning, it's chilly, I got goosebumps, so let's get this mobility rolling right now. Here we go, 5 minutes, butt kicks in 3, 2, 1, getting our body nice and loose for the outdoor body workout. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're just gonna go a little bit of baby high knees right here, 30 seconds. Getting those knees up. Come on now. Woo! 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hip openers. I do a little shimmy. Step in between. Let's go. You know, beaches, you think of getting tan, nice and sunny. This is what I think of with the Washington Beach. So perfect weather in my mind for Ruby right now. Here we go. We got our lunge openers. More of an active lunge with the shoulders and chest opening up just like that. Let's go. Not a full lunge. Just nice and easy, getting those hips involved. Chest. 3, 2, 1. Active curtsies, just right here. Not going down all the way, just enough to feel those hips, booty stretching out. Let's go. Getting it nice and warmed up. 10 seconds, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, baby jacks. Oh yeah. A little bit more of a cardio mobility right here. All good. Ready to get this outdoor body workout in. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do right here just climbers, outside, active, and depending on how tight your hips are, you might go slower, you might only be able to go here. It's all good, just stretching it out actively. Let's go. One more. Coming up. Here we go. We got our arm circles. 15 seconds each way. Get your hips involved also. Forward. Come on now. Do it for Ruby Beach. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right here. Kick. 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 Let's get it. Almost there. wide chops right here. We're just chopping our feet, just like that. Getting that body loose, come on. 20 seconds left. No, we're not working out, we're warming up. We're about to get this workout though. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, just a couple neck rolls. Gotta get the neck and spine nice and loose. Other side. 2, 1. And deep breath in your nose. Hold it, squeeze it tight. And let it all out. That is your mobility warm up. Now we're ready to get this outdoor body workout. Give 110%. Get after it each and every time. I'll see you in there. Let's go wild.